Hey guys, Dan here from VHIX 411. Today I have a Hyundai Tucson with a service required light on. I will show you the light that we're talking about. Is this one right here. Super simple to reset. We'll be using these buttons over here, an OK button, and as you can see on the menu right here, this is where we need to get to. Every time we push the button on the top of the steering wheel, it'll move one. So I'll be pushing this guy right here. Pushed it once, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I'm in this menu right here. It says hold OK to reset. This is the OK button right here. Hold that. Service has been reset. So after your oil change, when you're done doing that, go to the steering wheel, start the car, push the top button on the right, and then OK button on the bottom, and you're good to go. And let's test it out. It does a system check, and we just got one light, which is the low tire pressure light. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.